Ljubljana, the 14th of June. The government is expected to discuss on Thursday the consequences and relief related to last week's devastating hailstorm in the area of Črnomelj in southeastern Slovenia. First estimates put the damage at some €20 million, which means that the local authorities will be eligible for state aid. Idem dobra volja. Hail. Photo, Tamino Pedalinsic, Style photo. The rest of this news item is available to subscribers. News item consists of 684 characters without spaces or 135 words. Buy the news item. Price, 2 tokens, on account, 0 tokens.